Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I am in the retail space, and today we actually have off. We are not open, which I know is crazy. It's Black Friday, should the retail store be open, but we're actually not open, but we're running a promo code on hookedonpickin.com, just like you see behind me. And so go to hookedonpickin.com, you'll get an automatic 30% off. It was yesterday and today. So today at midnight is when it ends, but you can get 30% off the entirety of the store. So definitely load up that cart. If you buy over $100 with the discount and everything, you'll still get free shipping if you live in the continental 48 states of the United States. So definitely check that out. We're going to talk about some more things, and I got some really fun questions for you in just a minute. All right, so Thanksgiving was yesterday. You may be still doing Thanksgiving celebrations today, which is awesome because we talked about yesterday things that we were thankful for, and that was a tradition of ours. Is Black Friday shopping a tradition of yours? Do you camp out in front of stores? Do you have memories of camping out in front of stores? I remember when that was a thing. Now it's just scary and I buy everything online. So you can go to hookedonpickin.com and not be scared. You get 30% off right now. Today only is our Black Friday sale that we're running right now for you guys. But it's now the start of the Christmas season, and Jesus is the reason for the season. There's a really pretty nativity we actually have for sale on hookedonpickin.com. But what are some of the traditions that you do around any of the holidays, like the Thanksgiving, the Christmas time? What's something that is a big memory for you? I remember when the kids were little, we had this paper Christmas tree we would tape to the wall, and we would actually give Jesus gifts. And so we had these paper ornaments, and we would write down things we wanted to give to Jesus. And so it would be, I cleaned my room, or I picked up after my sister and didn't even, nobody told me to do that. And when they were like 2 or 3 years old or 4 or 5 years old, maybe doing a good gifts or making things for people. And so we used to give gifts to Jesus the whole month of December when they were little. And, now they do random acts of kindness just because they like to sometimes when they're in a good mood. They're still kids, and they don't always act perfect all the time, but they're pretty awesome. I love them. We'll keep them. So what are some of your traditions that you do? Paul, do you have any that you remember when you were a little kid that you're like, we always did this?
Well, on Christmas Day, we always read the Luke chapter 2. That was always a big deal.
Before you opened any gifts,
Before you opened any gifts.
So was it always the same person that read?
No, we always rotated it.
Okay.
Yep.
So as you guys got older, you and your brother would read it?
Yep.
Yeah, we've done that too. I think Faith might have read it last year for us. So yeah, we did always read Luke chapter 2. Do you ever open gifts on Christmas Eve, or was that a no-go?
We didn't do the Christmas Eve gifts, but I know that certain people do gifts when the wise men come and all sorts of different things. We do the gold, frankincense, and myrrh gifts now.
Oh, yeah, we do for our kids. So what we do with the gold, frankincense, and myrrh is we give a more pricier gift, I guess, would be the one that would be gold. And then we do a gift that, for frankincense and myrrh, we do one gift that has to do with your body. Either it's clothing or cologne or deodorants or things like that, body sprays, something that has to do with the care of your body. And then we do another one that has to do with your spiritual walk. And so that'll be like either a Bible or a journal or something that has to do with encouraging your spiritual walk with Christ. So those are the 3 gifts that we always primarily focus on. And so we do a gold, frankincense, and myrrh gift right at the beginning. And then we have lots of other little ones that's sprinkled in there. There are some people I know that only do 3. Like that. So anyway, we wanted to just come share with you some of the fun things. Do you want to give them a 360 of what the retail space currently looks like right now? We give a little bit of a tour on one of our unboxings, but
it's all going to change, though.
Yep.
Take a good hard look, because we won't be here much longer.
Yep.
So we will probably shut this retail store down at the end of December. We'll probably do one little closeout sale. And then starting in January, we probably won't have
the retail space.
This open so that we can get things ready to get transferred to the next building.
So we are going to be doing local pickup for our local customers, even while the retail space is closed. But so that we're not focusing time in here, and we're actually updating our inventory system and putting in new shelving and stuff like that, so that we can easily move all of our products to the new space. That's why we're focusing on that. Plus, we're we're ordering a whole bunch more stuff, and so definitely check out hookedonpickin.com. Like I said, we've been really hammering getting a lot of stuff listed, and so utilize that 30% off. You're going to have some unboxings tomorrow and Sunday too, so there will not be a break in the Hooked on Pickin programming, even though it is across a Thanksgiving holiday. You will not see a break from us. You won't get a break from us. I'm sorry. You're just going to have to deal. And in dealing, maybe you'll need some retail therapy. So go to hookedonpickin.com and get your 30% off today, since you have to tolerate us through the whole holiday weekend. Thanks so much for joining us on Black Friday. Hopefully you find some good deals at hookedonpickin.com and other places. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.